Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in accountancy. In this video I am going to explain a problem on discounted bill. On 1/1/2020, Ram sold goods to Shyam. Who is selling? Ram is selling. Ram is a seller, Shyam is a buyer. Worth rupees 4,000 and drew 3 months bill on Shyam. Who draws bill? Ram draws bill. So Ram is drawer, Shyam is a drawee. The bill was accepted and returned it to Ram. The bill was discounted with banker at 12% per annum on 4th March 2020. On due date, the bill was honored. Past journal entries in the books of Ram and Shyam. Now, we opened two books in the books of Ram, in the books of Shyam. Now, first line 1/1/2020. Ram sold goods to whom? Shyam. 2020 January 1st. Selling goods to whom? Shyam is a receiver. Shyam is a receiver. Shyam account debtor to what goes out? Goods goes out. Sales account. Shyam is a debtor. Debtor is increasing. Our income is also increasing. 4,000 debit, 4,000 credit. Being credit, sales. Now in the books of Shyam, 2020 January 1st, when Ram is selling, then Shyam is purchasing the goods. What comes in? Goods comes in. Purchasers account debtor. Who is a giver? Ram is a giver. Purchase the expenses. Our expenses are increasing. Creditor balance is also increasing. 4,000 being credit, purchasers, and drew 3 months bill on Shyam. Who is drawing the bill? Ram is drawing the bill. What comes in? Bills comes in. Bills receivable account debtor. Who is a giver? Shyam is a giver. Shyam account 4,000. Our asset is increasing. Being the bill drawn for three months bill. Now, January 1st, he is sending the bill to whom? To Ram, who is a receiver. Ram is a receiver. Ram account debtor. Bills payable is a liability. Our liability is increasing to bills payable account 4,000. being acceptance given for 3 months bill the bill was discounted with banker at 12% per annum on 4th March. Bill date is 1/1/2020. The due date was on 4/4/2020. Due date. Discounted date 4/3/2020. Discounted date. How many months? 1 month before he discounted the bill. Now calculating discount amount. Bill amount is how much? 4,000. 4,000 into percentage how much per annum? 12/100 into from unexpired period, that is from 4/3/2020 to 4/4/2020, 1 month. 1/12. 12 cancel. 2020. 40 rupees is discount. Out of 4,000, 40 rupees is not received from where? From the banker. March 4th. Bank account data. How much we are receiving from bank? 3,960 rupees. Discount account data. How much not receiving? 40 rupees. To what goes out? Bill goes out. Bills receivable account 4,000. 3,960 rupees we are receiving from bank. 40 rupees is not receiving from bank. Being the bill discounted with banker at 12% per annum. The transaction only between Ram and banker, so no entry will be passed for discounting the bill in the books of Shyam. Now, on the due date, the bill was honored. On due date, the bill is honored. There is no place for me. I am writing top. Due date was on 4/4/2020, April 4th. No entry will be recorded because he already collected. There is no need to write the date. No entry is recorded because Ram is already collected money from banker on the date of discounting the bill. Here 2020 April 4th is paying the bill to whom? Paying the bill amount to whom? Banker. Bills payable account data to cash or bank account. Total bill amount 4,000. Being the bill honored. Suppose in the same problem, if dishonor is there, same entries will be passed, but it is changing. We are changing this entry. Then, if the bill was dishonored, first entry, that is first entry is same, second entry is same, third entry discounting same. This is, instead of this, we are passing dishonored bill. In case of dishonor of bill, entry will comes in where? Entry will comes in drawer. What is his position? D from where? D from Shyam, due to bank. It is a position of Ram. 2020 April 4th. What is his position? Is it due from where? Shyam. Shyam account debtor. Due to whom? Due to bank. 4,000. Being the bill dishonored. Here, 2020 April 4th, bills payable account debtor to, due to whom? Due to Ram. This is the position of Shyam. Due to whom? Due to Ram. To Ram account 4,000. Being the bill dishonored. I am concluding this problem. In next video, I am taking the another example of this problem. Thank you.